Some say authority belongs to the one who moves through the world with the least resistance, who navigates it smoothly, who doesn't fight the current. It sounds reasonable, but Scripture asks a different question. If truth is proven by how easy it goes by paths that never strain, then power belongs to those who fit the system as it stands. The ones who glide without collision, who never push the frame, who move through life with little cost and call that proof of claim. But ease has never been the Bible's test, because authority isn't proven by how smooth the road appears. Truth isn't measured by resistance or the absence of fear. Some voices move with no opposition, still speak what's unauthorized. The question isn't who moves easy, it's who sent them every time. Prophets didn't move with ease, they met the wall head on. Messiah walked straight into pressure, not around it, and was scorned. The serpent spoke without friction, no struggle in his tone. But smoothness didn't make him right, it only hid the throne. So resistance doesn't mean you're wrong, and success doesn't mean you're true. Authority isn't navigation, it's authorization. Not who works best within the world, but who comes in the name. Some truths will shake the system, some lies will pass right through. The question isn't, does this work? It's still who told you. In a garden it sounded simple, take and see for yourself. No force, no threat, no friction, just wisdom without source or help. It worked, it moved smoothly, and everything still fell. Authority doesn't rise from function or from paths that feel aligned. Life doesn't come from fitting in or reading every sign. It comes from voice to listening heart, from truth we didn't make, not who navigates with least resistance, but who we trust for heaven's sake. Some truths will always meet resistance that doesn't disqualify them. It may be the sign they didn't come from here.